Hello everyone. On today's video we are going to talk about the Extreme Brutale. And if you didn't check the intro video about the Brutal logo, check this out. Pretty nice, right? So the new Brutale, it's in 90% of the tracks faster than the Twisters. But for that, you need to know one or two details that I'm gonna tell you today on this video. But before that, today we have a special guest with us, David Lopini. He's a vehicle engineer and is the designer and developer of the Extreme bodies. Hello David, how are you?
Ciao Bruno, all fine here. We are just waiting for the season to start, so pretty excited to see how the winter development will perform.
So David, you are the designer of the new Brutal and also the Twisters, right?
Yes and not. I mean, behind every body there is a team that works, so I'm just a step of the process. Uh, the workflow start from the driver feedbacks. That is actually the most important thing. And so basically Christian and me, we collect all the information from the official driver to analyze if we have any weak points or some part that can be improved. Basing on the feedbacks, then we fix the target and we start with the design iteration and the simulation to get to the target. And this is the easy part. After this, we need to cross-check the feasibility of the mold, the quality of the printing process, and that's a bit tricky because you need to set a lot of parameters to get the perfect shape and the perfect quality of the body. Finally, we take care about the look. So we have our graphic guy, and together with also some driver like you, we develop the graphic and the look of the body to get it to the point.
But the Twisters were working pretty good. Why Extreme decided to make the new Brutale?
That's a good point. So basically, we are never happy, and we know that when we end up with a new body, we are just closing one lap, but it's not the final one, for sure. So even if Twister and Twister Speciale were already considered as two of the best bodies on the market, we found together with you and the other drivers that there was some room to push the limit a bit more, and we found a good direction and some gain in terms of performance and handling of the car, and this is why we did the Brutale.
So, what's your feeling when you know that the bodies that you designed are the best selling bodies around the world?
Well, as a member of the team, I feel really proud for sure. I'm really happy about the workflow and the framework that Christian was able to make, the best drivers in the world and really smart guy to work together. We work hard on every body with hundreds of simulation to refine every aspect. But when you go to the track and you see how the car perform and how the driver feel the downforce and the handling of the car, then you feel really good and you're happy about yourself.
What can we expect from the new Brutale?
Well, let's say that with Brutale, we wanted to get a big step in terms of downforce. We found a gain of 20-30%. That's something you can really feel in terms of traction and in terms of steering, because we worked a lot on the aero balance. Based on your feedbacks and other from top drivers, we realized that we were missing a bit of front load in cornering entry. So we try to fix this small issue and get that phase of the corner a bit more aggressive. That is also the reason of the name, that in Italian means something similar to a monster, let's say, something really aggressive. And I think we get to that point. Another field of improvement was the aero sensitivity. We made the shape in a way that when you are in the corner with some side slip angle, that means that the speed of the car is not aligned with the direction of the chassis, you will not have so much loss of downforce. That means that the downforce of the body is more consistent through the corner from the entry to the exit. That is quite important because this way you feel the car is more connected and is more consistent through the corner and is more also predictable. Last but not least, we had to face also with the air efficiency that is related to the drag of the body, and this is important for the modified class, but even more important for the stock class where we are more power limited. And with this gain of downforce, we had to find a way to reduce the drag or at least keep the level consistent with the Speciale. And that's something that we get, so you will not find any difference in terms of top speed. And another small detail we worked on is also the rear stability on high speed. Because let's say if you have more downforce, you can approach to a corner even faster. But you have to be sure that the rear stability is not compromised by the, let's say, higher speed. So that's why the end plates have the buttonhole that help to recover some wing downforce when you are on high speed corner. That means also high side slip angle. And so let's say this is the insight of the Brutale and the main characteristics.
So, are you working on something new already?
Yes, for sure. There's always something work in progress in Extreme. So, no spoiler, but we never stop, you know.